eating dinner earlier while she was on my live. I said I will
Mm-hmm.
go after her in my live stream. Then I kept you on my phone and I went down for dinner. Dinner and shower, then I came back. Do, 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 do,
Good.
do, 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 do. Do, my sunshine away. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy and stars are bright.
Right.
Make me. That Isa came and one comment and went off only. I don't know who that is. Isa came only one comment, said hi and went off. I
Mm-hmm.
don't know who Isa is and from where. Keep it to my sunshine away. You are my sunshine. Okay, Peter, it's almost come on to 2 o'clock. 58, 59, 60. 2 hours.
Just let it be.
Okay.
While I'm doing something here,
When you have,
then it will be just up.
yeah. Because actually the views are not going up, but the watch hours are going up because you have angels no, on the channel. That's why. So the
Yeah,
watch
I
hours
have
are going up.
five. Why is it
Yeah, that's why the watch hours. Like little while ago, watch hours was 6.6. Now it is 8.4. I think maybe half an hour later or something like that. But viewers are nothing much. Viewers in the last 1 hour, viewers were only 13.
mm,
But the watch hours have been going up very fast. Do, 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 do. I want to see the option. Now we can do live stream in portrait and in uh, landscape.
horizontal? Yeah.
Landscape. We can do it. We can do in landscape and in portrait live streaming.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So I want to read some more. I tried to do it. It said try it now. I tried to do it and my live stream was on, but it was not. It was going into how to do it and all that. So I quickly stopped it.
Mm-hmm.
I went back to my live stream. So I
Open
must read that.
vertical.
I need time to read. Yeah, vertical or horizontal. But I want to read that. You can change. You can switch, or you can have both on. They are saying you can have both. You can have it in vertical and in this portrait and in landscape. So I want to check. I want to read. I downloaded and kept it open, but I haven't had time to read it. I need to read it and see. They should introduce. Ah, I saw you took StreamYard. Ah, very good.
Hmm?
You took StreamYard.
Ay, oh my God. Thank you for reminding me.
Why?
Why I scheduled 5 p.m. stream yard tonight for my team.
Ah, because yeah, I don't know. I won't be able to do much live in India till I get my own place.
Mm-hmm.
I've asked my ex-students to find a rented place for me. I gave them my budget and all that and said, find that. So, till I find that, because in my sister's house, it's very difficult to do.
Mm-hmm.
Because either they are watching TV or somebody is around or guests over. So, as soon as I get, if they get it to me, then I'll be leaving end of this month.
Mm-hmm.
Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do,